Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a blacksmith. I made one of these. So previous video I did how to make a Japanese hammer jobby, but today I have gone and made another one, slightly different to the one from last time, but this one has been made for someone who we're doing a bit of a swap. He's making me something and I am making him one of these hammers, the one that he asked for. So this is a £3 Bladesmiths Cutlers or Japanese style hammer kind of thing. It's very lovely, I'm very happy with it. And he's a very lucky boy, even if I do say so myself. So enjoy the video and I will see you on the other side. The piece I'm going to use for this is a piece of fork truck tine. The fork truck tine is about 4 inches in length. Mine 1.5 inch square, or 40mm square by 100mm-ish. They don't convert 100%, but they're near enough, so it's good enough for me. I'm also going to be using my H13 little punch that I use. I hold this with a pair of tongs and knock him through there. And then this drift, which is made out of spring steel, just to open it up nicely. I'm going to get this all done, see how it looks, see how the cheeks pull out and everything on it, and then I'm going to draw the face down. But once we get there, we see how much material we've got on the end. I might try and do something a bit different on the end, but we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you, and if you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are a subscriber, ring that bell for notifications, because that will tell you every time I make a video, and I make videos as often as possible. It's a bit slow at the minute, but we will be getting back on track after the chain making video. That's coming up. I've got all sorts of crazy things coming up. I'm going to be building a grinder and all sorts of other stuff, so stay tuned for all that stuff to come. If you want to chuck a comment down below, put in the comments crazy J Hammer Dan or something like that, or just a hello, or any questions you have. I tried to get round to them. I've been a bit bad at it at the minute because I'm really struggling with time, but I will get on top of the comments, I promise. So I will chuck a video up here to something, and I'll chuck another one down here for you guys to enjoy. Remember to check out my Patreon and subscribe if you aren't already. See you guys later. Thank you for joining me. Oh yeah, by the way, Chris, this handle isn't staying. I'm going to make you another one too.